This is more importantly the build-up to the 5th of August ahead of the mega event in Ayodhya. Rituals preceding the Ram Janmabhoomi Pujan here of the Ram Temple have already begun. This is called the Gauri Ganesh Puja, 3-day rituals which are to continue starting today and in 3 days to continue right up to the Bhoomi Pujan when it starts on the 5th daytime. 3-day ritual here which is to culminate. 11 priests are chanting mantras during this puja. The Ramayan part was held in various other temples here as well. Meanwhile, UP Chief Minister Adityanath has now visited the Ram Janmabhoomi to review preparations ahead of the big day. This was a trip that he had cancelled yesterday because of the passing away of his cabinet minister of COVID-19, and he has now gone ahead in making that trip to supervise preparations.
नए भारत के निर्माण के लिए जो अभियान पिछले 5 वर्षों से 6 वर्षों से उन्होंने प्रारंभ किया है, राम राज्य की उस अवधारणा को न जाति न मत न मजहब, सबका साथ सबका विकास की भावना के साथ हम कार्य करेंगे और यही राम का आदर्श है। उस आदर्श को मूर्त रूप देने के लिए भव्य राम मंदिर निर्माण की आधारशिला रखने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी आ रहे हैं। यह हम सब के लिए सौभाग्य का अवसर है। कोई भी राम जन्मभूमि के मंदिर निर्माण से छद्म धर्मनिरपेक्षता और जाति मत मजहब की राजनीति हमेशा के लिए समाप्त।
Our correspondent Prashant is getting us further inputs in line of preparations and precautions as well. Prashant, given the significance of this moment, it's not just a build-up of preparations, it is also a build-up of keeping in mind precautions that are to continue as well there in Ayodhya.
Well, that's right. The Chief Minister himself was here for the review meeting, and perhaps he took stock of the situation here to go stock of all the preparations that have gone in for the massive groundbreaking ceremony that the UP government is planning for. In fact, Mirror now is reporting from in front of the Saryu River, and I want to show you how it looks like here. You see, these are the ghats of Saryu, which have been completely, made a fortress by security deployment. And this has been on for quite some time now. The Chief Minister was here. The Prime Minister will be here on 5th of August. And along with him, 176 more people have been invited, is what the Temple Trust has told us. Of course, the RSS Chief will be here. The UP Chief Minister would be here. And a lot of other dignitaries would also be here for the celebration that we'll see on the 5th of August.
Well, Prashant, many thanks for getting us minute-to-minute updates. Prashant there right now in Ayodhya in the past few days. He's, of course, getting us an insight in the nature of the build-up, the enthusiasm, the festival, the festivities of this moment, which have continued in the past few days here. Is being sanitized. The entire area, as we said, it's about preparations. It is much about precautions as well, because this is happening in the midst of a pandemic. So the entire city, important parts of the city here, important stopovers here are being sanitized of the much awaited Bhoomi Pujan. Prashant Kumar, our correspondent, once again with this ground report.
Ayodhya is taking up for the grand Bhoomi Pujan ceremony on 5th of August, and the entire temple town is being sanitized by the authorities. Here you can see they are standing right outside the Hanuman temple here, and the whole of Ayodhya, in fact, is being sanitized. All the buildings, all the shops, everything is being sanitized here by the authorities here. So this is something that is happening because we are in the middle of the pandemic, and this exactly is what is happening here in Ayodhya.
And talking about multiple invites that have been sent out here for those who have been invited to be part of the Ram Janmabhoomi Pujan prayers, which is to happen day after. Iqbal Ansari, who was one of the litigants, in fact, his father was one of the oldest litigants, and he took over after his passing away when his father was 90 plus. He has received the first invitation here for the foundation stone laying ceremony. He's happy to receive the invitation here, saying is in full support now that it is a Supreme Court's decision here, is wanting to live in peace in his city of Ayodhya, believes that it was Lord Ram's wish that he received the invitation and the construction of the temple goes ahead.
अगर रामचरितमानस आपने कहा कि आप लाए हैं प्रधानमंत्री के लिए, तो आप खुद प्रधानमंत्री जी को देंगे वो या फिर ट्रस्ट को देंगे वो?
देखिए, हम स्वागत समारोह जो है, जो भी प्रोग्राम है, जहां हम बुलाए गए हैं, न्योते में जहां बुलाए गए हैं, अपने साथ में ले जाएंगे। हम जो है उसको प्रधानमंत्री जी के लिए लाए हैं और प्रधानमंत्री जी को देंगे।
अच्छा, एक आखिरी सवाल, भूमि पूजन अब होने जा रहा है, लोगों को खास तौर पे क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे? क्योंकि अब भी हम देख रहे हैं कुछ तौर पे राजनीति हो रही है, लेकिन अब भूमि पूजन हो रहा है, आपको भी इनवाइट किया गया, एक मैसेज क्या देना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, हम पूरी दुनिया को संदेश देना चाहते हैं कि हिंदू मुसलमान लड़ने से केवल नुकसान ही नुकसान है।